What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you have deleted your messages on Messenger, typically we know that we can't recover that. But there is a way to recover those deleted messages. What you have to do is to go to your linked Facebook account and head over to the hamburger menu, and once you're there, if you scroll down, you'll see an option settings and privacy. Tap on it, tap on settings and scroll down until you see an option download your information under your information section. So go to download your information, and once you're there, click on continue. Here Meta will allow you to download your information via in a form of exe file. And once you download it, you just have to retrieve it and you'll get your information from there. There might be several informations like your reels, you have watched your videos, you have watched or you have commented on, or your likes, shares, and your Instagram message data, also your messenger data. So go to your messenger data and then you will find your deleted messages with your present one also. And that's it. Hopefully this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.